Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing my monthly April favorites. So in this video I'll be showing you guys what my top purchases are of the month, why I love them the best, and how I keep these products in my daily routine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Chelsea Hurst and I post on everything beauty, lifestyle and fashion related. I do post on every Sundays as well. So if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe, and even if you want to hit the notification bell, you'll get an update on every time that I'm uploading as well. For myself and probably you ladies as well, I love watching these types of haul videos, monthly favorites, new products, whether it is to do with hair, makeup, skincare. I really do hope that this video serves as inspiration for you ladies that haven't heard of these products before. And before I continue the video, I do want to put a little disclaimer out there that this is not a showing off or a bragging video. Like I said, I love watching these videos personally, and I hope that this serves as inspiration for you ladies out there that love watching content on beauty, lifestyle, fashion related videos. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Brings me to the skincare component of my April monthly favorites. Now, this is something that I have actually not been doing just for a month. I've had this for an ongoing basis with these two products. Now, it's called, if you haven't heard of Cetaphil before, they are really highly recommended by dermatologists. A couple of years back when I want to say around 16, 17, I had really bad breakouts. Look, not horrendous, but I did have breakouts around the cheek area. I did suffer from a little bit of eczema. So eczema is one of those skin conditions where you have a little bit of flakiness on the skin. I had it around the eye area, so up here, and a little bit of dry flakiness here. I've tried so many products before and nothing beats Cetaphil. I've incorporated this in my monthly favorites video because it's something that I've been doing ongoing for years, and I definitely did want to share it with you guys. So this is the gentle skin cleanser. So what I like to do to remove my makeup is really easy. I just use these makeup removal pads at the end of the day to remove my makeup, and I'll just read out a little bit about what it says at the back of the bottle. So Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, recommended by dermatologists as a daily gentle skin cleanser for even the most sensitive skin. It's fragrant, soap and lanolin free, gentle on the skin, removes light makeup, helps skin retain moisture, pH balanced, won't sting the eyes, and you can use this with and without water. Another component that I have also been loving over the past few years is the skin lotion. So this is the moisturizing lotion that I've been loving as well. This is what I like to do in terms of before I prep my makeup, I do apply this beforehand. So before I set my foundation, before I powder everything on, I love to use this as well. These two products together, I can't speak highly enough. The fact that I have been using it for over 4 years now does speak in itself. I love that it's so easy to travel with as well. So you've got the miniature versions of the skin cleanser in this size as well. So if you're going away, if you're going on vacation, it's so easy to pack in a little toiletry bag as well. So the next best favorite of the month will be this beautiful face palette from Too Faced. I'll show you guys what it looks like. As you guys can see, it's quite dirty from the front as I've used so much of it so far. If you have a look, I'll open it up and show you guys. So it has 4 different colors. So it has the dark cocoa, the pop light, more of like that highlight finish, that sheen towards the cheekbones up here. It has a light cocoa. So that is what I like to put in terms of on the bridge of my nose, underneath where the neck is here, bringing that up to my forehead. And with the medium cocoa, what I like to do with that one is basically take the brush, grab some of this bit here, and then basically just go here, put some at the top, put some at the bottom. And then once that's done, what I like to do is pop the brown dark cocoa pop that over it, but I don't use this brush for that. What I'd like to do is use this brush here. So this side, and this is a brush, where did I get this from? Sephora. So I basically dab a little bit like this and then put it over the medium Coco. Last but not least, what I like to do is take the other side of the brush, so this side here, dab a little bit of the Pop of Light and then pop it right over here. The reason why I love this palette the best is because it's so, how do I say this, easy to travel with. If you guys are traveling, going on a day trip, just pop it in your handbag. At least you have the brush with it, so you guys don't have to lug different brushes in terms of doing the contour and so forth. What I like to do during the week when I'm more so going to work, I don't really do the full face contour, so I'll just do the medium Coco and then a little bit of the Pop of Light. When I'm going out in the evening, I do like to do more of a contour, so something that's more heavier on the cheekbones up here, more dominant in that way. So I'll use all of the 4 shades. So that is it for the Too Faced contour kit. I wouldn't use a lot of it as well, especially with the dark and medium Coco. Use it sparingly and then definitely build upon that with the brush-like motion. Let's get into the next component of the video. If you type in top 10 foundations, this one is sure to be coming up on the screen. So this is what the bottle looks like. Again, so luxurious with the little bottle here. Last a very long time. And I know there are a lot of other foundations out there that say they last 24 hours, they say up to 12 hours or what have you, but they just don't last. And then you'll find with other foundations out there, especially if they're drying out quickly to the skin, those ones tend to be more flaky later in the day, where you've got like patches here and there, and you just don't want that in a foundation whatsoever. So I couldn't highly recommend this foundation enough. I will link my color again in the description. So there you have it. That is my favorite foundation of the month. Again, if you ladies have any questions about the foundation, of how it wears on the skin, if you have more on the drier skin or oily skin and how that works, please comment questions and any other feedback from any of you ladies out there that have experienced this foundation before. I would love to hear your feedback there as well. So let's get into the next component. Brings me to a very magical product that I have been absolutely loving on the month of April, the Quick Flick. It is an eyeliner stamp, so this is what it looks like. Again, quite dirty because I have been using it, quite a lot of it for this month. Just a close-up shot. This is what it looks like here. So you've got the stamp on the right side, so this is the side here. So that's what it looks like there. And then on the other side, you have the actual liner. So that's the liner here. I absolutely love that it is in one piece. You do have the other one. So you have, of course, the right and left side of the product. Whoever invented this is such a magical product that I absolutely love. It is so easy, so quick to apply. I'm one of those people where I don't spend too much time applying makeup. I want something that's more fresh, and I don't want to be spending an hour doing my eyeshadow or anything like that and doing liner. And especially when you apply eyeliner, I'm really not the best. I suck at applying eyeliner. So this is a perfect product for me. And for you ladies out there that do struggle applying eyeliner, it is amazing. It does wonders, and I can't speak highly enough of it. So for you ladies that love that beautiful lip color on an everyday basis, even to go out, that really pops in color, I have it here. They're actually 2 products. So my 2 monthly April favorites. Firstly, the Stila matte liquid lipstick, just here. And then I have the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. So again, that's what it looks like here. Why I love these ones is you can wear them with a combination of other lip products as well. So for the matte Stila one, what shade is this one? It is in the shade Perla. What I like to do is put one coat bottom and top of my lips and then pop the Lip Injection Extreme from Too Faced. Absolutely adore about liquid lipsticks is that they don't stick, so you still can get on with your day. You can still eat in it, you can still drink in it, and so forth, and they will not go everywhere on the face. And especially when you throw on a beautiful lip gloss over it to give that shine, it just goes so beautifully on the skin with the foundation and everything else on the skin. It looks so divine. I purchased these at Mecca Maxima, but I definitely know that you can purchase it at other stores, so whether it is direct online, whether it's Sephora, etc. I do think that it is quite good to know that Sephora and a few other different stores do allow you to try a little bit before actually purchasing it. So that will be ideal if you're not too sure whether it is the right color or anything like that. I always love to swatch colors at the palm of my hand when I am finding a new lip product. These are my two favorite lip products of the month. Let's get into the final favorite of the month of April. So my favorite fragrance of the month is a beautiful little perfume that I bought from Chanel the other day. So this is what it looks like. It's a new version of the Coco Mademoiselle. I used to have the old version, but then I didn't even realize they came out with a new one. And I'm pretty sure that they only sell it at the store because I haven't actually seen it in any other Maya or David Jones stores yet. So that's what it looks like. Such a chic, cute little bottle. What I love about buying this perfume at Chanel is the whole experience. So they did package this up for me. It did look so beautiful in the little box, undoing the ribbon, and then they wrapped it up. It was so cute on my little perfume tray. If you guys haven't seen my other perfume collection haul video, I'll link this up as well. I think, is it up here or over there? I think up here. I'll link that there as well for you guys to check out with my other favorite perfumes that I have been loving this year in 2019. This is one of those perfumes, yeah, again, I wouldn't wear it every day. I would wear it out more so towards dinners, if you have any events on, family dinners. Speaking of packaging, they do pop it in this cute little Chanel bag that is right beside me, if you guys can see. So this one here. And of course, they gift wrapped it so beautifully there as well. I want to say the scents and notes in this perfume would be a little bit of peach, patchouli, and I smell musk and a little bit of jasmine in there as well. I do absolutely adore this perfume. You don't need a lot of it, so I would definitely use it sparingly there. So that is the Chanel Paris Coco Mademoiselle. So this brings me to the end of the April monthly favorites. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this has inspired you all about new different products, whether it was the fragrance, makeup, skincare, etc. Like I said, I will be posting more content on my channel on everything to do with beauty, lifestyle, fashion related, and I upload every Sundays there as well. Like I said at the start of the video, if you do love watching these type of videos, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.